and let's get a snack. What do you say?
The circle one.
We don't have a circle one. You want me to cut that into a circle?
Yeah.
Okay, give it back. Alexa, add laundry detergent to my shopping list.
That's right in now. That I can wash my hands here on the top. Are they portion bottle?
You need help? Don't drop it. Put them back. Thank you.